Me, sir.
Yes,
It was this December. The leaves.
Hold on. Let me see the book. Then wait. And it's a thick book you're not going to read to me. Me not in a life sentence, you know. By the time you get to the middle, me howl and grape and lose all me hearing. I don't go and go all in the corners, man. Why, this place is boring.
So it stays sometimes, Mr. Max.
So when the two of you can do for entertain me?
We write poetry, Mr. Max.
Poetry? Well, make me hear some now. Then wait. I make you not have to hide the poetry them, so.
See them here, Mr. Max.
Says who going read them?
The two away.
Yeah. We write them as a duet.
Duet? Me hear about dub poetry, but this duet poetry is new to me.
What is a form of dub poetry, Mr. Max?
Oh. Dub duet poetry.
Yeah.
Alright. Blank shot. You read the two part. Stammer, you go all your corners.
This is not a poem. This is a black man cry. Cry, cry, cry. We cry, you cry. This is not a poem.
God, you no bother.
You want to hear some more, Mr. Max?
Oh no, no bother with it. Not by me.
Olivius Adams?
What is it now, Dimple?
Dibble.
What you want?
Another one dead.
Another one?
I tell them, you know. I tell them don't fool with Mad Max, you know.
That the 3 dogs that came to the day now.
Dog.
Look here now. Hi. You. Go on and tomorrow me will discuss it. Go on.
And I understand that one of the Poogles is critical.
Poogles?
Which one of the Poogles? Peter Poogles or John Poogles?
You can't even go like you idiot now. I'm talking about the people them dog will lick down.
Officer, to tell you the truth, I was so vexed, I didn't even know say I licked down them dog.
Excuse me, officer. Is what I'm in here for?
Well, if he's in here for dangerous,
Very, very dangerous.
dangerous driving, among a thousand other traffic offences.
Traffic?
Yes, man. Him use a defective vehicle and kill 3 dogs and injure 9.
Dog.
Look here, I only use the dog them as warm up, you know.
Well, I will come back and check on you later. Have a little funeral for attend.
No, Dibble, you can't leave me in here. Dibble, don't leave yet.
So, you don't go back to dog.
No, Mr. Bullet. Listen, I use dog in my combat training because I don't want to hurt anybody unnecessary.
So, you is the Don.
No, Donovan.
So you kill dog. Well, the dog, I'm your Foxy. Come for the ending.
You have to stand underneath there.
Me will stand underneath as I tell Easter come and go back on my country.
Come, Maxie. Come for the ending. Come.
Olivius Adams?
Under here.
Come from another man. I have some news for you.
Me not coming out for under here so tell you can guarantee me full protection.
Come now, I want to talk to you, man.
Whatever you have to talk to Mr. Dibbles, you come talk to me under here.
Alright. Bullet and knife.
Officer, my entire life is into your hands, you know. Officer, see the boy, them and come there. Don't just stand up there like you're dumb double. Do something. Oh, no, man, don't lick me, no, man. You made a lick.
Man, you lick him and broke the board, you know. No! If you don't lick him, you're going to get in trouble.
Trouble? What kind of trouble?
Seems like him knows some important people.
Him?
Him?
Me?
Yes, I'm going to decided to drop all the charges.
Well, tell him, say, we are your friend. Scene?
Scene. All right,
come on.
Hey, Dola.
Yes, man, come.
Wait with the key?
Yes, come, man.
Wait a little bit. Hey, you're not too like a thief in, boy. From as soon as come in, I don't know the whole thief, you know. But watch me on the man. You see if I don't come out here and come on my lane, me damage you. Come on. Wait, man. Make it come with it. Make it come with it, man. You think means, you know, boy.